All right, so you got your new iPhone 16, or you're about to, and you are ready to take this protection very seriously. This is Miracase, which is designed for all kinds of models of the iPhone. This one specifically for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is a 6.9 inch. This is also compatible with MagSafe. Very important that you have that. There are literally so many features that we could cover. It comes with a inside of it, as you can see, is a lens protector to protect those 3 lenses that you have back there. It also has a glass screen protector that is right here for you to be able to put on as well. Goodness, let's see. It has a powerful magnetic ring for your MagSafe. It has a shooting button cover, which is, I want you to check this out right here. Look at this right here. Boom. Now on the new iPhone, you are able to go ahead and you're able to take your pictures by just pushing that. And so it's very important to be able to lift that up to be able to do that. This is next level stuff, seriously. And the fact that it has HD back polycarbon for protection, it has shockproof corners, which are very important for you to be able to do. I mean, this case is awesome. It has a 9H glass screen protector that you're able to put on your phone. It has a 12-foot drop test, 5,000 drop test, and this thing is still going. 0% phone damage. This is military drop tested. It has that extra cushioning on all 4 corners. When you are ready to take this serious, to take this investment serious on your iPhone, you want to make sure and protect it. This is the way to do it. What I like about it is this transparent, to be able to see your phone in that really cool color. This is the way to go. It comes with everything you need. Go ahead, pick this up right now so you can have the best looking case and also the best protection for your new iPhone. Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at this Miracase protective case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now this comes in different sizes for the different iPhone models, but the one I'm showing you today is for the 16 Pro Max. Now, as you can see, it comes with the lens protector for protecting your actual camera, and it's inside the package right now. It also comes with a glass screen protector that is also included. What I love about this is right here, where you are able to, as you can see, there's a shutter button on the new iPhone 16 to be able to take your pictures, and when you have your iPhone inside, you simply just go like that, and when you're done, you could just put this right back. And so this case is so awesome and so nice. And let's go ahead and take a look inside. Of course, it comes with everything that you need inside here, a little cleaning kit and some instructions. So we'll go ahead and put this over here. We're going to go ahead and take the actual top off like this. We're going to take this stuff out. And oh my goodness, it comes with 2. I didn't even know that. It comes with 2 glass screen protectors for your phone. Look at this. We're going to put our iPhone 16 Pro Max inside, and then we're going to go ahead and close this up. As you can see, we are good to go. We're going to go ahead and close that up as well. And I'm not going to take any of this off for now, but I just wanted to I wanted to show you what it looks like. Now, it's transparent, so you're able to see the full color of your phone. So all these really cool colors that are coming out with the new iPhone, you're able to really showcase it. And you got the glass screen protector right here on the front, and you have these corner protectors, military-grade, military-tested, drop-tested, and then also it's got the raised corners right here to protect your camera, as well as you're going to be able to have this puppy on there as well. So all in all, this is extremely impressive. You're going to be able to still use all of your buttons, and to be able to charge your device, you simply go like that, and you're able to put your USB-C inside of here. Your speakers are fully visible. I mean, this is truly amazing, and I can definitely tell you without a shadow of a doubt, I highly recommend that you pick this case up.